Hello, geometry geniuses. All right, in this problem, they want to know which triangle is similar to triangle MNO. That's going to be this guy over here, the big one. Which postulate helps us determine this? Well, when I'm looking at them, all I see is that they've given me information about angles. They haven't given me any information about sides. And I know that the postulate that tells us that two triangles are similar would be the angle similarity postulate, which means that two of the angles would have to be similar. We know that similar triangles, all three angles would have the same measure, but if we have two of them, that's enough clues to tell us that two triangles are similar. So the angle similarity postulate would be the one that we're using here. And so now our job is to go over here and figure out which one it is. Now, I know that the triangle sum theorem tells me that all three angles in a triangle must add up to 180 degrees. So if I know that angle M is 79 and I know that angle O is 22, I can just put in my calculator 180 minus 79 minus 22 and find that this angle has to be 79 degrees. Now, that eliminates this one as a choice, because it has 20 up here and this triangle has 22. So it can't be this one. All right, now this one has 22 up at the top, but look down here at the bottom. It's got 82. So that can't be it. But this one here has 79 and 79, just like M and O. So we can say that M N O is similar to G H K. Hope that helps.